Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking, where you find easy and tasty recipes. Today I'm making Japanese hibachi steakhouse yum sauce. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
In the mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and mix it well. Into that, add 1 1/4 cup of water and mix it well again. Into that, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, go ahead and use tomato ketchup. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you're using tomato ketchup, please reduce the sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a pinch or 2 cayenne pepper according to your taste, and finally add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Now here's the important part. Cover and let it sit for a day in the refrigerator. You can eat it right after you mix it. However, if you want the flavor to really pop, then hold back. This yum sauce is just as tasty as the one you get at those expensive hibachi steakhouses at a fraction of the cost. In fact, I love this yum sauce. Blending it with a fried rice and dipping whatever delicious combination meal in it. Honestly, I think some people crave the sauce more than the actual meal, just like me.
Thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.